Salam, this is Unity and this is a Queen's order. This order is going to Kansas. The first pair that this sister ordered was the Zulu Hands, and this pair was in 2008, and they've been selling since. So fun. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of a sister rocking them. One of my Conrad's, Harmony. She's a dope designer, but she been rocking. When we did the photo shoot, she grabbed these earrings, pictures everywhere, all over the internet. So these are called Zulu Hands, and you know, usually with Zulu Designs, it's kind of more triangle type, but I wanted, because the Zulu hand is black, so that you can see the little hand right there. It's warriors. It's for warriors. All right, so the Kari shell bead and the finger paint on the back. The original didn't have finger paint on the back. I think the original just was red on the back. Oh, burgundy on the back. Yep, so these are these. The next pair is Kari shell and Digitus earrings. And these are so fun. It's so simple how the little shapes and the simpleness of things to look indigenous, how people attract to that, especially our people. So on the back, it's just finger painted with gold inside. All right, y'all. So this is a Queen's order, and it is going to Kansas. All right. I'll see y'all in my next Queen's order, my next back spinning spotlight, or my next Unity moment. You can purchase these at boabw.com, and please check out knoirdesigns.com for your one-of-a-kind pieces. Pretty Afrocentric trace stencils. All right. Salam, salam.